Hey guys, welcome back to Dude, We Can Fix It. I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulbs in your instrument cluster in your dash. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do before we get started is to get the replacement bulbs ready. This is what the bulbs will look like when they come out of the instrument cluster. This right here is a socket, and this bulb actually comes out just like that. This bulb is the same as this T10 replacement bulb. This bulb is a Philips 194CP. Now if you don't want to change the color of your dash, you'll simply need to take this cover off of the existing bulb just by rolling it up, take it off, and then put it on the new bulb and unroll it. Boom, just like a condom. Might not want to put that on the video. And now this is ready to go back in the socket, and now they're ready to install in the instrument cluster. So now that we have all of our replacement bulbs ready to go, let's go ahead and take the instrument cluster out of the vehicle. All right, so we're going to lower that out of the way, remove any microphones that you might have laying around. Then you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove two screws here and here. Now you're going to use a flathead screwdriver, pry this down and out. And remove the bezel. We're going to remove a screw here, a screw here, a screw up top here, and a screw right there. Now if you want, you can unclip these three electrical connectors, or you could just go ahead and take these bulbs out, just a quarter turn, or well, an eighth of a turn. Then we'll bring these to the workbench and swap them out. So I've got the bulbs replaced. Let's go ahead and put them back in. Now we can set the top of this in first. And rotate it up, back into place. Wow, I got lights that work, that's great. All right, and then we're going to put our 4 screws back in. All right, now we're ready to put this bezel back in. You notice you have a clip here and a clip here, and then a prong there and there. Those all need to be pushed in straight. And then there's also this clip here. I'm going to make sure this clip goes in first underneath the dash. Once that's in place, you can line up and push all of your other clips in like that. Yeah, it's not too shabby. All right, now we'll replace our 2 screws, one here and one right there. So now I can see with the instrument panel illumination what my speed is at night. So now let's test out our new instrument panel lights. Wow, they all work. That's great. All right, so that's how you replace the bulbs in your dash and in your instrument cluster so that you can see your speed and your tachometer at night. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your bell notifications for future videos. And as always, thanks for watching. Dude, we can fix it.